So for my project, I chose to cover the how the voting blocks and voting and the geography of voting has changed over the past three presidential elections. So Barack Obama's first election to Donald Trump's election. I chose this because I'm a political science major, so this topic interests me, and I cover it a lot, or I keep up with it a lot anyway. So I started out just by looking at the state level maps, which tell you the electoral college vote, but aren't very informative, much deeper than that. So you can go to the county level votes, which can show you a much more in-depth pattern. Because certain areas, like for example, Chicago is very Democratic. The Mountain West and the Mountain West is very Republican. Just rural areas are Republican. More urban areas are Democratic. But you can see some, like if you start looking here in the Midwest and you look from 2008 to 2012 to 2016, you can see Republicans make gains with the how they made gains with like white working class voters, rural voters, that eventually gave the election to Trump. You can see that, but a better way to do that is something I saw on Twitter, which is showing. Let me load it here. Is showing actually highlighting which areas flipped which way, where the light pink is they flipped to Republican from Democrat in the previous election, and the light blue being they flipped from Republican to Democrat. And then the dark red and blue are just, they stayed the same. So you can see a lot more that these rural areas, like in upstate New England or the Midwest, they switched quite a bit. You can see some of the more suburban areas switched as well, like outside of Atlanta, but those switched to the Democrats as opposed to Republicans. And then you can see the start of this trend in 2008, where Republicans began chipping away in like Wisconsin area. And then the going from 2008 to 2016 really shows you how dramatic the change has been. Some of the considerations I took first, well, as far as cartography, so I found out looking that Alaska usually doesn't publish, Alaska and Hawaii too, usually don't publish their election results by county. They do it in, I believe, a ward system, so it made the results difficult to find, and I just chose, for it to be more consistent, not to choose Alaska, or choose to show Alaska or Hawaii. That way they would be consistent between the three maps. I made the county borders slightly transparent, that way you can still see where they are, but it doesn't really interfere with the map itself, especially as you zoom in. There's no clutter at all. I chose the light pink and light blue because they were distinctive colors that really stood out and really let you know what area, excuse me, that the area flipped, but they're not really overpowering where they are just too bright. And yeah, that's about it. That's my project.